In this video, let's see how to use the tab widget of your classic add-ons plugin. First, open the Elementor editor and click on this plus icon to add a new section, or you can add it in your existing section. And here you can choose your preferred layout. And in the left sidebar, you can see widgets option. Click on it and search for the tab widget. Simply click on it to add it in your section. And in the left side, you can see extra class. Here you can enter your class name for customizing this widget. The next option is tab, and here you can see the tab list. Let's edit the first one, and in the title field you can enter your title. And the next one is icon type. You can choose the icon or image. Now let's choose icon, and in the icon field you can upload as a svg file, or you can choose it from the icon library. Choose your preferred icon and click on insert. The next one is content type. Here you can choose the text content or HTML element, or you can choose it from templates. Now let's choose the text content type, and here you can enter your content. Close this, and let's edit the second one. And here you can enter your title, and here you can choose your icon and click on insert. And this is for content. Here you can change your content. And if you want to duplicate this, just click on this option and edit the title, and you can change your icon here and click on insert. And in the content field you can change your content. If you want to add new item, just click on this add item options and enter your title here, and you can add your icon from the icon library and click on insert, and here you can change your content. The next option is icon alignment. You can change the icon alignment like left, right, top or bottom. Let's choose the left alignment. And the next one is vertical tab. Here you can enable or disable it. Next, let's moving on to the style area, and here you can see the tab padding and margin. Here you can set the inner space value for the tab. Let's give 10 pixels each side. The next one is margin, and here you can see outer space of the tab. Let's keep 20 pixels each side. And if you want to set border, here you can choose the border type. And if you want to set border radius, here you can enter the preferred value. And if you want to enable box shadow, you can simply change the style of the box shadow here. The next option is background color. If you want to set background color, you can choose the color here. The next part is tab title, and here you can change the title size. The next one is title transform. Here you can choose capitalized, uppercase or lowercase. And next one is alignment. Here you can change the preferred alignment. And the next one is padding and margin. Here you can set inner space value for the title. Let's give 10 pixels each side, and let's give outer space for the title now. And the next one is spacing. Here you can adjust the space for the title. And the next option is typography. Here you can choose the font family and font style for the title. And here you can change the color for the title in the normal and overview. Let's change the color in the normal view, and let's change now in the hover. If you want to change background color, you can simply change here. The next option is title icon. Here you can change the size of the title icon. And if you want to change the icon color, you can simply change it here. Also, you can change it in the overview. The next option is content, and here you can change the font family and font style of the content. And the next option is color. If you want to change the color of the content, you can change it here. And if you want to change the background color of the content, you can change it here. And if in the margin value, you can set the outer space for the content. Let's give 10 pixels each side. And if you want to inner space for the content, you can enter the preferred value in the padding. Let's give 20 pixels each side. Now let's check it in the output.